Web3 TV.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another interview at the Kamikaze Tuesday in Dubai. I'm Adele, the host. Today we have Akash with us from the Chatoshi team. Akash, how are you doing?
Hey everyone, I'm doing fine, thanks.
I loved your presentation earlier.
Thank you.
Thanks for that. I appreciate it. Give us a quick intro about yourself and what brings you here today.
Yeah, so I just graduated from the University of Cambridge, finishing my degree in engineering, AI engineering specifically. And I am now a founding engineer at Apta.
Well done. Amazing. Congrats on your graduation.
Thanks so much.
So at Apta, what is it you're building with Chatoshi?
Yes, so we at Apta build bespoke AI co-pilots, and specifically in the Web3 domain, we're building Chatoshi. Essentially the ChatGPT, but in the crypto domain.
Right. So it's a bespoke platform specifically for Web3.
Yeah.
All things Web3. So it's like you can ask any questions you want specifically related to Web3. So you mentioned something about the LLM being the ears and the mouth of intelligence. Explain that to me.
Yeah, that's a really good question. So a lot of the times when people use LLMs, they might want to ask, let's say, for example, the price of BTC. A very simple question, but the LLM itself doesn't actually have access to the live price data. And so what you really want is to have a tool that does have access to this live price data, maybe something that's on-chain, for example. And so in this agentic setup, what you would do is you have someone would ask the price of BTC. The LLM would listen to what you're saying. It would try and decompose your question, figure out what tools are relevant, and then route it to those tools. In this case, the tool will then collect the price of BTC, pass that back on to the LLM, and then now the LLM acts as the mouth of the system, kind of taking in this structured information, something that a normal human might not understand, and then outputting it in natural language.
Interesting. Great. And then at this stage, you've launched a mobile and a desktop version of Chatoshi. What's next now? So collecting that feedback, how long does it normally take to collect feedback where you're at a point where you're ready to take this next level?
Yeah, that's a really good question. So actually something a bit more fundamental is you don't know if the product that you're going to make is going to be like technologically driven or user driven. And so far we've been very technological driven. We think AI is very cool and we've been developing out various agents that we think users might want. And so now we're in a phase where we're beta launching Chatoshi and we are collecting user data. We're going to analyze it. It might take some time, who knows? And then based off of this, we're either going to improve our agents or build out new agents to try and cater for what users want.
Interesting. Those agents, they're going to be, what's the centralized or decentralized nature of these agents? You planning to make it decentralized?
Ooh, that's something that might be coming in the future.
Okay, we'll leave it there then. Leave that there for another interview. But I want to say thank you for your presentation once again. Thank you for the interview.
Awesome.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out Akash's profile as well as chAtoshl.ai. Be sure to check this out. Thank you again. I'm Adele, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers.
Web3 TV.